So we just finished the social media star camp, and it was just more than we had ever thought, because we weren't sure. We'd seen them advertised on Good Morning America, and we couldn't decide, is this, because we do a lot of social media. We have over 400 artists, and so we brought these 4 amazing people in, and we just sat back and were blown away. And so I can't even tell you what it's going to do for all of our artists, because they're, as we know, artist development used to just be about singing in the brand of singing in the voice, and now it's about the story. And I do have a sucker here, yes, that's what it's, I don't know why I have a sucker in the whole thing, but anyway. So what happens is now they get to use that, brand their story, and be able to become just the possibility of that percentage of who they could be and branding who they can be has gone up quite a bit. These guys are all amazing. Thank you all, Social Media Star Camp. Whoa! Now we got to come back for a week.